first of all, it was just really a pleasure to work with the VMware teams, the user experience team, the development team. I was on calls with them weekly, and it just really top-notch people. So you didn't ask me to say that, but I want to give kudos to the people who were involved in that. It was a wonderful experience. In terms of getting the solution stood up, we were able to do that in less than a week, get it deployed out across a number of different VMs. So just the deployment process was great, but from a feature functionality perspective, the cloud workload has been something that I have been waiting for a long time. I was familiar with App Defense, several years back. And so when I heard that, cloud workload was coming out, not just a rebranding, but, really an overhaul with new capabilities, I was very excited about that. You have a tremendous amount of workloads in your data center spinning up, coming down, and you can't always rely on having an agent installed on every single VM. But from a security perspective, we all know that like visibility is king. Yes, patching, vulnerability assessment are critical, but even underneath that, if we don't have visibility of what is going on in our network, that's a massive gap for our security professionals. So we were really excited to get Workload in there. I love the partnership that you guys have with Kenna in being able to prioritize the different vulnerability information. So you're not just saying, hey, we found this CVSS score and this is what it is. You're able to provide a little bit of tuning. We love that. And then ultimately, I love how the interface, you can maintain our security teams and our operation teams can maintain the pane of glass that they're used to using. So, Carbon Black in the cloud, our folks using, vCenter and all those capabilities, they're able to look at the same information without forcing them to, use the same pane of glass and potentially lose functionality there. So we told our guys, listen, you keep your pane of glass, but at least now we have shared data and we can start working together as a team to, resolve those challenges.